Here's a quick tutorial on how to schedule your Google Meet for your students using Google Calendar. First, navigate to calendar.google.com. You can also go through the chiclets and choose Calendar. Once in your calendar, click Create and More options. Here, you'll add the title of your class. You can choose today's date so that you can see what it looks like, and you choose the time. I'm going to choose something quickly. Make sure that if you customize your time that you type in the AM and PM. Does not repeat, you're going to click that drop down and you're going to choose Monday to Friday, or you can also customize. You can do it once a week on Friday, or you can do it once every 2 days, for instance, for an A-B schedule. You can choose different days of the week if it occurs on those days of the week only. You can end it. We're going to end it just on the last day of school, just in case. Click Done. Then you're going to add your video conferencing, Hangouts. And over here, I'm going to invite all of my students for this class. I'm going to use my son, which he loves, being the guinea pig. And down here, I want to make sure that my guest permissions are all unchecked. Then I'll click Save. You can click Don't Send right now. Students' emails are not enabled as of today. And now I have it scheduled. What it looks like on the student's end is when they go to meet.google.com, they will see they have a math test at 8:30, they have a science period 4 at 8:45, and so on. If a student tries to enter a class, once it is scheduled, they can enter, even though me as the teacher am not there yet. You'll notice Hunter is the only one who is in here right now. That being said, I can just navigate over to my Meet, and I'll see that I also have these 3 things scheduled for myself, and I'll join Hunter in the Meet. Now you can see that both of us are in the Meet. And that's the easy part. The nice thing about scheduling meets is that, again, the students now have a schedule that they can see where they need to be and when they need to be to the next class. Please keep in mind, let me see where we do not want to give the students the URL information, which is the information up here, the link that they can just click on, because these remain live for the students. So even though you have left the classroom, they're still able to go back in. Once you click your Meet, you've opened the door, and once you've scheduled it, you've opened the door. And students can enter even though you may not have joined, just like I previously showed you. Once the students have left your Meet, you can mute your microphone and your camera until the Meet time is over. Students can always enter the Meet as long as it is scheduled for a particular time frame. You'll simply want to just mute your microphone and your camera. Have a good day.